Hey yo friends. Okay, so I just had an idea of moving the boom on for my microphone. I'll do it later. Okay, so we're gonna continue where we left off this morning, and that was working on the KCD Workshop app. So let me share my, or here, let me double check I didn't pull up anything that I don't want anybody to see because that could be embarrassing. You'd see my tax information or something, I don't know. My passwords, yeah, I think I've shown one password on here before. I don't think it showed anything. But yeah, there we go. Okay. Boom. And here's where we chat. I ignore the YouTube chat. YouTube chat, they don't do moderation. So if you want to talk or whatever, this is where you go. Come to the link in the description. Okay, so with all of that said, let's jump into this. So we have example apps. Yeah, and we don't have this anymore. Haha, I was expecting to get rid of that. Yeah, so now that I recall, where we ended up was determined that this should be working. Okay, still need to work out what this is going to do. But now we just go to the routes. And I think if we type check, then that will probably help us a bit. Yep, okay. So not everything did I work too much on making look good. Okay, so this is, I'm actually not sure which, yeah, it's probably in here. Okay, cool. So we'll just fix all the red underlines. Yeah, so we actually want, yeah, I think actually in the UI we got rid of that altogether, so we don't need that anymore. And this is going to be, instead of steps, this is now, oh, hold on a second. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Yeah, so this is exercises. This is going to be get exercises. And this is E for exercise. And all that we need is, yeah, exercise number. Here, let me take a look at something really quick. Okay. Okay, we get the exercise number, the title, and the name, which is the unique identifier. Huh, this should be, oh, right, it doesn't have a name. It has a dir name. The exercise number is the unique identifier. Okay. Yeah, all we need is the number. And we've got examples. Maybe I should just call it ID, but no. Okay, so here are your exercises. Okay, cool. So that gets us good there. And then, yeah, I guess we just go one by one here. Yep. Here, I think we get rid of that. App stopper name. Yeah, that's what we're going to change it to. There we go. Cool. So then the app stopper no longer will take name and relative thing. These are all going to take name. Yeah, we don't need to worry about that anymore. Get app from name. Yep. And that's all happy. Cool. Okay, we're going to rename topic number to exercise number. Just wholesale everywhere. I didn't realize that the Mist server still had some topic number stuff, but yeah, then we renamed this back to exercise number. And actually, this is going to be exercise again. And I think this part should probably be type. So then in here, wait, in our utils, part. There we go. That is better. There we go. Now this is, you're on the page, you have your instructions, and then the preview. And so we need to, oh right, topic is now, whoops, exercise. Okay, whoops. So, basically, I'm thinking actually that we could probably make this work. This is the parent route. Oh, right. So no longer is it, we're going to rename this exercise. And then the exercise should have the instructions code itself. instructions code. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's see what happens if we run type checking again. Excellent. Now we run the dev server. If it type checks, then hopefully it'll just work. Yep, there's start 404 because that linked to the wrong place. Eventually Remix will get type safety on links, and that will be a beautiful day. Topic. We have one more here. Exercise. Start. Boom. There we go. Here we are. And problem 1, 2, final 1, 2. Okay. Let's make sure. Oh, right. There's no final 2. Oh, no, it's not final. It's solution. There we go. We start that app. We can go look at processes. Boom. Whatever. We get 404. Oh, that's interesting. The back button's not working. Huh, I wonder if the 404 is why. Oh, that's right. No, when you hit enter, it's like hitting refresh, and we get rid of the history. That's wrong. I thought that was what we wanted to do, but that's wrong. No, we don't get rid of the history when you hit refresh. Okay, well, let's stop this app and stop this one. And everything is working. So let's... and that's so cool. I love the colors here. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay. So let's, you know what? Let's try using Git the way that they say you should. Just use the editor. Move all the things. Commit and push. Heck yeah. Would you like to stage? Yes. Cool. Let's just do that from now on, Kent. Use the tools we got. I don't always have to use the terminal. I'm not showing off. Okay. So there was something I wanted. Oh yeah. The iframe. I think that's an index workshop app. This one. So when we say we do this, we don't want to reset the index. This is more akin to navigate child 1. No. It's more akin to more akin to push state. That's what it is. It's more like this. So let's just copy all this down here. Okay, so yeah, in our case, the path name here That's going to go right there. Yep, there we go. Okay, so let's go one, start the app. We go to whatever, go home, go back, whatever else, go back. Huh. That's interesting. I think I may have I missed something. Whatever else. That didn't get updated. I'm not at whatever else. Yeah, it's not updating here. It updates in the URL. Okay, so this, we need to navigate child is what we need to do. I wonder if actually, I wonder what would happen. Say navigate child. Yeah, definitely not reloading. Two or the delta, yeah. Okay, so navigate child would be 2, path name input value. Options is optional. Huh, I wonder why it's telling me I have to provide it. Oh, I think I know. I think I know. It doesn't matter. We'll just leave it. It's fine. Okay, pretty sure this will work now. So we go here, go to wherever else, go back, go forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, link click, back, back, forward, forward. That's awesome. Stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's so sick. Now, this is interesting. So, let's say you're here. Starting over. What? Cancel. I accidentally hit a hotkey. Okay, let's say you're at kncdodds.com. So we'll open it like this, so it doesn't have any history. What? Oh, right. I think it auto-completed to shops. Get that out of my history. Okay, starting over. Why did it send me to workshop? This is What the heck? Okay. Oh, because that's what I'm selecting. Can I delete that? From URL history, huh? All right, whatever. Okay, so we land here, nothing in the URL search bar. If I go to the URL search bar and hit enter, still nothing there. If I go to the URL search bar and go blog, now it does have a history entry and I can go back and forward. if I go here and hit enter, not a new history stack entry. So we need to do that same sort of thing where we say current path name okay, so navigate, the navigate options has replace, and that's what we need to do. Replace if current path name is the path name value. Okay, and now it's complaining. What are you complaining about? Nope, I totally am taking the parameters type nav params. Huh. Well, that's annoying. Type parameters of overloaded function. Type script. Get parameters type. Yes, this is what I want. Click to see some code. Yikes. I understand why they hit it. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be harder than it's worth dealing with. So, yeah, we'll just do this. This accepts a how do you okay, now I've got to look up on my own blog. Function overload. Yes. Okay, so this is 2, and that's 2. I wonder if I can bring that in. Yep, it is exported from Remixer and Router. And B, this is navigate options. And they return void. For real? This is coming from React Router? Good grief, really? Wait a second. That's interesting. Here, let's do this instead. I think this might work. Maybe? Rats. I thought that came in. Okay, we'll go with that. Nice. So now this should work. Or I think it was working, but we go wherever, go home, whatever else. We go back and we say whatever. Ooh, that's an interesting one. So let's say here I am right here, and then I go back to overview, and then I say I go back, and then I come here and I hit enter. I can still go forward. Cool. All right, neat. Ah, that's so cool. Proxies and stuff. It's magic. All right, so let's actually again fix iframe functionality. Navigation functionality. Publish branch. What's that supposed to mean? I think I just committed instead of commit and push. So publish. We call that push, unless I'm the stupid one here and it was talking about something completely different. Or I don't know. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is, okay, don't let me forget. I need to figure out the utility to automatically update this tsconfig based on the projects that I've got in here. So we need to do that for sure. Oh, we're not using navigate? Where was that before? Undo a bunch of stuff. No, I don't want to do that. Where was navigate being used before? Hold on a second. Where is this repo? Can I get an easy way to open up the repo here? No. Okay, fine. Git browse. Okay, so looking at the index, workshop app index. Yes. Were we just not ever using it? Where's my history? There's a history here somewhere. Is that history? No, here it is. Oh, right. I renamed. Oh, nice. Let's see, browse files. I want to look at the file. Oh, I was doing type of navigate. That's what was happening there. All right. I don't need to do that anymore. Beautiful. Okay, good news. So, whoops. Now I'm pretty sure that I can let this handle the optional params stuff. So I also think we might benefit from another folder in here, but maybe not. Exercise number, type and stuff. So when I'm on this route, this is going to be no, I think this is the way it should be. I think this is right. Yeah, okay. It is break time. I'm going to take my break. I'll see you in 5. we're back. Okay. Let's see here now. Yeah, let's talk about, why is it red? Why is this red? I don't understand why this is red. I know why this is red, and that's because those things don't exist anymore. So now what we do is we make some of these scripts. Well, we fix them. And I think what we're going to do is I'm going to try and make them run without dependencies so that I can, because the problem is that one of the things that these scripts do is update the package JSON name here. And if there's a problem with the package, because you can't have two projects with the same name. So if there's a problem with the package JSON name, then I can't install, and so therefore couldn't install a script that fixes it. So I need to make it so that it runs without dependencies, so I don't need a script. So yeah, we've got fix package names, update readmes. We're going to get rid of that, and update tsconfig will do. So yeah, and fix package names, it's going to use this get apps thing. We're going to need to get rid of that. So yeah, this fix script will just start over from scratch. We're going to delete, well, let's not delete stuff until we're done with other things. So where am I? App, utils, miss server, that should probably be called something. It's not miscellaneous anymore. Readdir is useful. We're going to call this MJS, and we're going to import fs from fs. This should run without any dependencies. Because you need to have, or you may need to run it without deps. Okay, so we have readdir exists, handy little function. Okay, so then we're going to get our examples is await readdir examples are topic or exercises, wait readdir exercises, and then apps would be exercises flat map. I guess it's not a flat map, that's just map. Wait a second. Yeah, it is. All right, and we're gonna get thing here, cd to packages and example node scripts fix .mgs. Whoops. Maybe I should just use bun. Okay, great. So we've got our, that is not what I expected. Console log. Right, okay. So we're gonna need to flatten out and we're also going to, I think we need to fix this in here actually. Get exercises, or no, oh no, yeah, we're good. I have a glob that matches specifically the one we're looking for. It won't match readmes, but here I do need to avoid matching readmes. So filter dir starts with or actually even is dir path return. Come on, Copilot, I don't want to have to figure out how to do this. Await fs promises is dir. I guess that's how you do it. Maybe I can do sync. Is that a thing? Okay. Is dir sync? Is that a thing? I wonder. Yeah. We'll just do that. Or actually, starts with, or let's see, just, there we go. Okay. Ah, yes. All right, fine. Return dir starts with, we'll do this instead. Problem or solution. There we go. Okay, and then map dir to that. Yes. yeah, that's everything in an examples directory is an example. Okay, so with that information now in hand, we need to update the readme, or no, the package.json file name property. So to match the directory, the parent plus directory name. All right, Copilot. Not with that. Goo. And this would be problem 1. Great. This would be yes, that's what it should do. All right, Copilot, can you make that work? Come on. You're smart. You can figure it out. I'm pretty sure there's a hotkey for this, but I can't remember what it is. I'm going to switch to standing. Okay, require. That feels wrong. Yeah, actually, no, that's right. What the? Oh, this needs to be, yeah. We want the or workshop root. It's gonna be how do I get dir name here? Const dir name equals that. Project root equals import path from path. Path.join dir name. Whoop. I like doing this. Good grief, what are you doing, Copilot? All right. So now apps is going to be the full path, I believe. All right, let's console log that. We're missing something. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh, and yeah, let's do this. Oh, whoops, nope, not that one. This one. Something is unhappy. Right. Yeah, ESM import JSON. I think that currently, yeah, you have to do it's experimental. Yeah, okay, so we're not going to do that. We're going to say fs read file or promises read file. All right. There we go. I feel much better about that. Let's just see what those are supposed to look like. Oh, whoops. There we go. Yep, that's what I thought. We need to get file replace project root. There it is. Oh, we do need that. There we go. And that's it. So let's pull up one of those really quick. And when I save this, it did not work. Oh, because I didn't. There we go. Bump it on. Okay, cool. So now when I write the instructions, it's going to be in this README, and we're going to have problem right here. And solution Angel solution. Maybe this should be the imp. And then solution. And then we'll have O1 dot well, in here, O2 outlet context. Some details about the solution. Details about the problem. I think yeah. Okay, so you have the problem that like introduces the topic. And then you have the solution, and then you can partway through have additional problems that that we work on, like we leave off with the solution we had before, and now we're working on the new solution. We're working off of the new problem thing here. So we've got this problem, and then we're going to try a completely different approach and start with this. So like sometimes it's like, okay, work. And then, you know what? That's one way to do it, but we're going to go back to the beginning and work again. You know, I just noticed my microphone seems kind of quiet. The little level indicator over here just looks kind of quiet. I think maybe my kids played with it, or maybe Okay, so now my sound is only going to come out of the, I think, left channel, and I am sorry about that. It's just the software that I use to have it coming out of both channels is currently not working, and apparently I have to boot my Mac into recovery mode to get this to work. So I'm going to set this off to the side for a bit, and we'll do it after, like when I'm ready to take another break or something. So I'm sorry, that's super annoying, but that is what it is. I'm not on break right now, am I? Yeah, I'm not. I just don't know why. Oh, I know why. Okay. My sound is messed up. Okay. Where is this? Oh, man. Okay, hold on a second. This might work. It just suddenly started working. 1 second. Okay, now that is working again. I don't know what happened. Okay, sorry about that. And why is this? Huh. Sorry, I just want to make sure things are good. Okay, cool. Sorry, that was Spotify. Hopped on. Hopefully I don't get YouTube all mad at me for that. Gee whiz, that's kind of annoying. All because I thought I needed to increase the volume of my microphone. Hold on. Okay, now like it's getting into the red when I talk like loud, but when I'm normally talking, then it's not. So I think we're okay, but maybe a little quieter. I don't know, that's probably a big waste of time. Okay, coming back to this. So let's think this through. We'll deal with that later, I guess. So people are going to look at the instructions. It's going to read top to bottom. They'll watch a little video that introduces the problem. Then they can read about the problem. Maybe we do this. Problem 01 outlet. Solution 01 outlet. Solution 02 outlet context. Step. Yeah, okay, so then, and yeah, this files will be like a part of this, and actually it may even be automatically generated. Yes, that is exactly what it will be. I will have a plugin that sticks this in automatically. Yep. So it'll like find all of these steps, and it will compare it to the next thing, and it will say what are the different files, and here are the different files. The challenge is that once you solve it, now those different files are no longer different, and so they will no longer appear in that list. So yeah, it's like my my music from Centered stopped, and that's really annoying. Yeah, I think what we could do is when you first download the repo and first start it up, we put those files in some sort of local cache or like mini database, so that we know. Man, that is I've gotten a lot of emails about that. Oh man, turned my phone off. I just feel like there's so many ways for that to go wrong. There's a little thing on my microphone. I want to get it off there. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure how to generate those files. Because the other thing I'm thinking is, oh, that'll be great, because then this can also be like a link that you click on that will show you the diff or something. Or even better, it's a link you click on that opens that file in VS Code. Yeah, that would be sweet. So maybe I do have to do this one manually. But I could have it be generated with this fix script. Yep, I could probably do that. Just do a get diff between the two. Filter out anything that's in the get ignore. And then insert them. Yeah, okay, so we're going to do files. Okay, yep, we can do that. The trick is that I will not be able to do that without installing dependencies. I need unified ecosystem and stuff. So yeah, so that'll be interesting. But anyway, we can now at least update the package JSON names. And this could probably just be the one thing that is runnable without dependencies. Everything else we can run just fine with dependencies. So this is probably the only thing that I need to have in the exercise or in the workshop source. The rest of this could all go into the workshop app. That and the setup script. The setup script will need to be in the source as well. I was using npx gist stuff, and I think I may continue with that because it's pretty dang handy. It's a really good way to set things up or to run scripts that that require dependencies and stuff. Especially like things where you don't have anything installed. So it's like a really easy way for me to update the setup script for all of the workshops, because I just have this gist sitting over there that I stick the setup script in, and then everything else just like points over to that. So that makes things a lot easier. Okay, great. So with all that said, this update readmes, yeah, this is definitely no longer needed. We don't do things this way anymore. Update tsconfig, that's the other thing we need to do. And that we can just throw down here. tsconfig. We don't need prettier to format this. I don't care. I think I just did it because it was easy, but now it's not as easy. Project root. We're going to rename that to workshop root. I am root. Okay, great. So now with that, okay, cd packages example node scripts fix mjs. Okay, cool. And that did not work. I didn't review the this at all. Okay, yeah. So the path is apps. It's literally just the app. Oh, but we want it to be relative to workshop root. Yep. Okay, now try that. Bum-ba-da-dum. Cool. Yeah, that's good. So update tsconfig, you can go away now. And that's all I need for the fix script. So that's nice. Let's look at committing this. So update fix script in example. Why are you green? I don't understand why this is green. Reload. Okay, it's break time. I'm actually going to have to stop the stream because I'm going to restart my machine and try and fix this thing. So I'll be on in like 20 minutes, hopefully. So thanks for joining. We'll see you soon.